Ready to unlock raw power? Let's build a back that roars with strength, one row at a time. Do you want a wide, thick, and powerful back like VitalCore the Lion? You don't need a dozen fancy exercises. This is a full-body compound movement. It builds your upper and lower back, strengthens your hips and arms.
Here's how to do it right. Stand firm, feet shoulder-width apart, grip the bar tight. Bend forward past the edge and keep your back flat.
Over the Edge Barbell Rows give you 3 major benefits. First, increased back thickness by activating your lats, rhomboids, and traps. In each rep, you will feel tension, the struggle to stay balanced. Sometimes even the fear of tipping over. 3 common mistakes in this movement. 1, tricks, rounding your back, which strains your spine. 2, swinging the bar. Over the Edge Barbell Rows do not just build muscle, they build mindset. Try it in your next back workout and feel. 1 barbell, 1 movement, a stronger back, and a stronger you. Join me at VitalCore.